fellow enthusiasts. Welcome to another outdoor adventure with me as we explore this breathtaking woodland trail today. The air is crisp, the birds are singing, and we've got miles of natural beauty ahead of us to discover together. I'll be taking you through ancient trees. Maybe we'll get some wildlife along the way. I don't think I want that anyway. Make sure you stick around until the end where I'll share my favorite secret spots in these woods. Would you like to join me? Grab your hiking boots and let's get started on this woodland adventure. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my subsequent videos. And so you could get known about my future explorations. It's sunny, the weather is pretty good. Let's go now.
Whoa!
Okay. So there are two roads to hit. This one is the only road that I know. Look at this beautiful flower. This is our first nature find. Really cute. Oh, let's keep going.
I want to pick it, but I'm not allowed. Glad to pick.
So this is where the real work is. This is the hiking part of it. Like you have to climb all these stairs, and it's a bit tiring, but it's not forever. It's worth it. It's worth it, and I think it's really cool now because of the weather. The leaves are very green. The last time I was here was in October. It was autumn, so everywhere was a bit dry then compared to now. Now I'm panting now. Oh God. So these are the steps. Really, one of the things I read that we could likely see in this wood is squirrels, badgers. We didn't see it the last time, and I really don't want to see it today because I'll be scared. Yeah, I love to see squirrels, but I don't want to see the badgers. I have a companion, really. I have a hiking companion.
Okay, I'm not even gonna
Now I'll have some rest. I'm so tired now.
Wait, my ball.
He's with me. Guess what? We're up. This is super fast, super duper fast compared to the last time we're here, because
the whole view again.
Oh, I don't think we can explore everything. Last time I was with my toddlers, but today it feels different, and that's why it feels like it's a very short walk today. I mean, a short climbing today. I can't believe it.
Last time we took ages.
Yeah.
But we even paused to have a snack.
Exactly.
We forgot to bring spoons for the yogurt.
Yeah, but today it's different. It feels like that happened in about 2 minutes. Climbing, like just climbing our staircase twice. Okay, we keep on going. So
Like twice.
look at everywhere. We're already hop, like hop on
Really high.
not really hop on a mountain, but we are already on top of somewhere. Don't move closer to that place, buddy.
Why?
Because it's dangerous. Look.
Oh man, I could just go Jack and Jill. We're up the hill. Went up the fence.
Water.
Jack and Jill. Yeah. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
So this is a dead end. I don't think we could go past this place. I won't be surprised if this place leads to Gwere Castle. I won't be very surprised, because the other time I saw it a tiny road, and I'm like, this road could probably lead to Koidigopa, but because I wasn't sure, that's why we didn't go through there. And this one now, I don't think the door is opened. Not sure. Let's see. I don't think so. Help care for this wood called woodland. It is opened. Oh my God. So this is There are steep drops in this wood. Please take care, okay? So I think,
drops.
yeah, like you have to be careful not to fall down. So this is probably, oh my goodness.
My ball.
No, he's with me. Look at the sheep.
Wow. Baba.
Wow.
Baba. This is us. My ball. We're trying not to.
See, where to go, Pa?
Bats.
I enjoy spectacular scenery and a landscape that takes you back in time at Kodigopa. You're here. So this is where we are now. This is a car park. Okay. I really wish I can read map properly.
Castle. That's the castle.
So this is a circular walk. The yellow line is a circular walk. So we could go like this. Back to where now? Where is this place? Is this the golf place?
No. If it was, it would have a golf.
River Valley View. Where's that? Okay.
Oh, Iron Age Hill Fort.
So these are some landmarks that we are supposed to get used to actually. So it's about 4-kilometer walk.
What?
And it will take about 1.5 hours to get to the end of it. Follow the path to the summit of Koidgopa and discover breathtaking beauty and intriguing archaeology. Specific interest and especially important for bats. Wow. Okay, so I'm not sure where this path leads to. Danger concealed entrance. But I just saw a car passed here, so hopefully it leads to somewhere, I know, somewhere safe for us.
They keep saying, danger, danger, danger.
Yeah. Your guess is as good as mine because this place now practically led me back to the first place that I was coming from.
The middle of it. But
Yeah.
then look back at the actual beginning.
Exactly. So this is leading back to the beginning. So I'm going to take another route entirely so that I'll be able to get to the top of the hill that I got to the last time I was here. So this is the beginning, remember? This is where we went through the stairs. But now I'm going through this road because I don't want to climb the stairs again. That was really, really exhausting. It's tiring. So I'm going through this route because it's still the same Koirigopa route, and I know this is a place you can park. Oh, look at that. Stop it. So, oh, that was scary.
Mother, were you scared?
As long as you're not going to come out of the gate, I'll be fine.
As long as you can't jump.
So I'll go through this route now and see what that looks like, because I was very sure that there were 2 entrances and that's one that I discovered. I'm hoping to see a bat.
I'm hoping to see
A bat.
Mommy, do you
I
know
haven't
that?
seen any squirrel. I think squirrel comes out in autumn and not this period actually.
You know they look for nuts.
Yeah.
They're like, we gotta have food.
Yeah, and I don't think they can get that now. So even when I was driving, I have never gone past through this place because I remember there was a time I drove here and I was like nowhere to park, so I had to find my way.
Remember when we were going
Yeah.
to the farm?
Yeah.
To the farm, and then I think it was here.
No, it's not here. It's that other side.
Oh,
Yeah, I think that farm was that. Maybe it's that one. I'm
I
not
think
sure.
it's that one.
Yeah.
Remember when we saw so many sheep?
Yeah.
I think it's that one.
Wow. This is another fine. It's cute. Cute flower. I'm coming. You want to eat it? Yeah, this is another find. Look at that. So cute. Now, this is the entrance. Did you see?
Yeah.
So this is the entrance. This is the 3rd entrance.
Oh yeah.
Look at it.
It's a different place.
Yeah, this is a different place. So this is the 3rd entrance.
Oh.
But I don't think there's a stairs here, because even if we go through here,
Yeah, I don't think there's a stairs.
Wow, is this one showing where we are? He's saying yes,
But I think
we're here. Okay.
So I want to go see the bats
So where do we go now?
here. So
So we're following here now.
it's just one big path, so there's no two paths to.
Hopefully, because I'm not sure this is leading to the road that we went through that time. I'm not quite sure. Let's see. I'll go back. If you're not sure where you're going, you can always go back to where you're coming from. Now this is the real hiking now. I'm breathing. I'm breathing so hard now. Take a picture too.
Oh,
We're still going. Really cute atmosphere. Really, really cute atmosphere.
can I have hot chocolate when we're at home?
Yeah,
Or tea?
yeah, yeah. I'm definitely going to have.
Look, a new plant is growing.
Wow. I'm definitely going to have a cup of tea when I get back home.
Is there still normal tea left? I don't want green tea. Mommy, look,
Yeah, I
lots
think.
of plants are growing here.
Yeah,
I don't want green tea.
yeah. I'm going to have green tea.
And after that, I want to sleep.
Oh my God. I think we'll be up now in a matter of minutes.
Minutes?
Yeah,
How
see?
long is that going to take?
Yeah, we're up now.
Finally.
Finally. So this is not really a level two.
Mommy, can you hold my hand just
Yes,
a
I
bit?
am now. This is not really a leveled
Because you don't really want to hold my hand.
road, but I think it's better than the climbing. It's really better than the climbing, and it's so cool, like really cool.
Peace at last.
There's a kind of fresh air that's
Yeah.
blowing me right now.
It's blowing. It's like Mommy, look, flowers.
Yeah,
It's like a type of wind.
yeah, that's really cool now.
We are mountain hiking. I don't think we're supposed to go in there.
No, what could that be? We don't know. I look at the steep thing. I think this is the one we're told to be very careful. I know people do go because that place looks like where people have gone through.
Why does it feel like we're the only one in this woods?
I think I remember this place now.
Same.
I think I remember this place. So the other time we got here, and then we now went through the hop.
We did remember you were asking us if we wanted to go here.
Yeah.
And you said this place would be long, so that
Yeah.
because we were all very
So we finally,
I remember there was like something that was roaring there. We thought it was a lion.
yeah, finally, we are on our way to the hills. I'm still so surprised that we can't find one single person in this wood today. And not one single animal. I think there will be a need to get informed on when the animals will be out for us to see. Because if I'm here 2 times and I didn't see any single animal, that's so shameful. And over there is the hill. Oh my God, we finally got it. I was almost giving up. On locating this hill. Yeah, it's not right to give up on yourself. So I'm really glad that I didn't do that today. So here we go. Look at that.
I'll come after. Up she goes. Is the view good? Don't fall.
Now finally on top of the mountain, I can see my house from here. And look, if you look very closely, I'll try to enlarge this thing. You'll see, oh, that train is gone now because there's a train station around. I could see the train. Yeah. So I can actually see my house from here. You see where the bus is, the green bus. That's where my house is. I'm trying to see if I can locate. Oh, see, that's Tesco there. I wish, I wish I can get something to take me to Tesco right now, so I don't have to drive. I don't have to walk there. Now,
I can't see the Tesco.
look, come and see here.
No, I still see. I can see it.
The golf area that we've passed through today, like pretty cool.
I see someone playing golf.
Really cool on top of the mountain. So this is, the road still continues actually, but we're not going to explore that today because, as I mentioned before, it's about 1 hour, 1.5 hours to get to the end of it, like to walk through the whole thing. So which is which is so much because I didn't come here straight. I've taken some walk before deciding to come here. So yeah,
Mommy, look more.
and we're back here again. The staircase. Oh, this time around, I think it's a bit hazier because we're going down, down. It's not climbing again.
But the
It's
steps are really big.
yeah. So we're going back now. Yeah, I'm super hungry now. Well, fellow nature lovers, our woodland adventure comes to an end as the trail brings us back to where we started. I hope you enjoyed exploring the magnificent forest with me today. If you enjoyed tagging along on this journey, please hit the like button and subscribe for more outdoor adventures. Your support helps this channel to grow and it allows me to keep sharing these beautiful natural spaces with you. And if you have a favorite moment from today's woodland walk, drop it in the comments below. And if you know of any amazing trails that I should check out in my next video, I would love to hear your suggestions. Until our next adventure, remember to tread lightly, leave no trace, and take nothing but photos and memories. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.